Welcome back to Motorhome, the channel where we explore the most unique, luxurious, and innovative motorhomes from around the world. Today, we are diving into something extraordinary, something that almost no one thought would happen. Dacia has entered the motorhome game with their jaw-dropping 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. The brand known for affordability and practicality has shocked the entire automotive and RV world by launching one of the boldest, most ambitious designs we've seen in years. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a two-level, futuristic rolling residence that combines affordability with futuristic design in a way that might change the way we think about motorhomes forever. Over the next while, we're going to take a deep dive into every single aspect of this beast: the exterior design, the jaw-dropping interior layout, the performance and engineering that powers it, and of course the pricing strategy that makes it so fascinating. Now, let's start with that exterior because, quite frankly, when you first see the 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome on the road, your jaw drops. This thing looks unlike anything else out there. Imagine a sleek, modern bus combined with the rugged presence of an adventure RV. Standing tall with its two-level construction, the double-decker design immediately makes it stand out among the crowd of motorhomes that typically look like oversized vans or long rectangular boxes. Dacia took inspiration from European double-decker buses, but instead of packing passengers, they've transformed it into a mobile luxury residence. The front fascia features Dacia's new modern logo, set against a sharp, chrome-accented grille with integrated LED light bars that stretch seamlessly across the width. The headlights are slim, futuristic, and adaptive, giving it an aggressive stance. The aerodynamics are surprisingly refined despite its size, with carefully sculpted edges and rounded surfaces to reduce drag. Side profiles reveal massive panoramic windows that run the length of both decks, giving passengers unobstructed views of the outside world. The rear, meanwhile, is equally stylish, with vertical taillights that stretch from roofline to bumper, ensuring this motorhome doesn't just look massive but also looks elegant. The sheer size is staggering. We're talking over 13 meters in length and nearly 4.2 meters in height, making it one of the largest motorhomes in its category. But here's the beauty: Dacia has engineered it to not just be a giant on the road but also relatively easy to maneuver. It sits on an extended chassis platform, reinforced to carry the extra weight of 2 full levels while maintaining stability at highway speeds. The wheels are 22-inch alloys with heavy-duty tires designed for long-distance touring. Ground clearance is adjustable thanks to an adaptive air suspension system, meaning you can lower it for highway cruising or raise it when you need to tackle uneven ground at campsites. This exterior design is both futuristic and practical, offering an unmistakable road presence that screams innovation. But if the exterior already has you amazed, just wait until we step inside. This is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome redefines what interior space means in a recreational vehicle. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by a high-tech, modern lounge that feels more like stepping into a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The use of space is ingenious. On the first floor, you'll find a fully equipped living and entertainment area, complete with modular sofas, a foldable dining table, and a 65-inch smart old TV integrated into the wall. The materials used are far more upscale than anything we've seen from Dacia in the past: leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and even marble accents. The lighting system is fully customizable with ambient LED strips that change color and brightness depending on mood. Towards the middle section of the first deck, Dacia has built a gourmet-style kitchen. Forget the compact RV kitchenettes you're used to. This one rivals what you'd see in high-end apartments. It comes with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, oven, dishwasher, and even a built-in coffee machine. Counter space is plentiful thanks to cleverly folding and sliding surfaces. Storage has been maximized with pull-out cabinets, overhead compartments, and hidden drawers. For anyone planning long trips, this kitchen ensures you never miss the comforts of home cooking. Moving further back on the first floor, we find the bathroom area, and again Dacia has gone all out. The bathroom is split into two sections. One side features a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, and the other side offers a modern toilet with smart flushing technology and a sink with touch controls. Heated floors and anti-fog mirrors add that extra touch of luxury. Now let's head upstairs to the second deck. And this is where the double-decker design truly shines. The entire second floor is dedicated to private living spaces. At the front, there's a master bedroom that feels like something you'd expect in a hotel suite. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, panoramic ceiling skylight for stargazing, built-in storage, and a 55-inch television make this a dream space for long trips. The midsection houses a secondary lounge or workspace, depending on the buyer's preference. Some models come with a built-in office desk, making this the perfect motorhome for digital nomads or business travelers. Finally, at the rear of the second deck, there are additional sleeping areas, including a queen-size bed and two convertible bunks, allowing the motorhome to comfortably sleep up to 8 people. The interior is climate-controlled with a dual-zone smart VV system. Noise insulation is superb, ensuring you hardly hear the engine or outside disturbances. Dacia also made the entire motorhome smart-enabled. You can control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment systems through a central touchscreen or via a mobile app. Now let's talk performance. Because what's the point of a massive luxury motorhome if it can't handle the road? Under the hood, or more accurately, under the chassis, the 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. The main engine is a 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6 delivering 400 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque. This is paired with dual electric motors that add an extra 200 horsepower combined. Total system output is around 600 horsepower, giving this giant surprising agility. It can cruise comfortably at highway speeds, climb steep inclines without breaking a sweat, and even has an electric-only mode for short-distance city driving, or when you want near-silent operation at campsites. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic with adaptive shift logic. The hybrid system also incorporates regenerative braking, feeding energy back into the large lithium-ion battery pack mounted under the floor. The range is impressive on diesel alone. You're looking at around 1,000 kilometers per tank, and with the hybrid assistance, you can stretch that further. Fuel efficiency is significantly better than most motorhomes of this size, thanks to the hybrid system, and aerodynamics. Handling is enhanced by that adaptive air suspension I mentioned earlier, along with four-wheel steering. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn opposite to the front wheels for tighter maneuvering, while at high speeds they turn in the same direction for stability. Braking is handled by ventilated disc brakes all around with ABS and electronic brake distribution. Safety features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for long highway stretches. Now let's address the most crucial factor for many buyers: the price. And here's where things get really interesting. Dacia has built its brand on affordability. And while this motorhome is by no means cheap, it undercuts competitors by a huge margin. The base model of the 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome starts at around $250,000. Yes, that's a lot of money. But when you consider that similar luxury double-decker motorhomes from brands like Prevost or Vario Mobile often cost upwards of $1 million, suddenly this Dacia offering looks like a bargain. Fully loaded with all the high-end options, luxury interior upgrades, advanced driver assist tech, an extended battery pack, you're looking at closer to $350,000 to $400,000 still. That's less than half the price of most competitors while offering nearly the same, if not more, space and features. Dacia is targeting families, travel enthusiasts, and digital nomads who want maximum space and comfort without spending a fortune. The company also offers financing and subscription plans, which might make this dream motorhome more accessible to younger buyers. And knowing Dacia's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs, This could be one of the smartest purchases for anyone dreaming of hitting the road without compromising on comfort or modern amenities. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement that affordable brands can innovate just as boldly as luxury ones. From its futuristic double-decker design and jaw-dropping interior, to its powerful hybrid performance and surprisingly accessible pricing, this motorhome is a game-changer. Dacia has managed to blur the line between practicality and luxury, between affordability and aspirations. It redefines what it means to live and travel on the road. And it does so while staying true to Dacia's philosophy of giving maximum value for money. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome.